Some friendships defy the odds. Just ask Max, the dog, and Coco, the parrot. Max, a playful dog, wasn't thrilled when Coco, the parrot, joined the family. Max didn't like birds, especially ones that squawked loudly. At first, they avoided each other, Max barking every time Coco flapped her wings and Coco squawking at Max's curiosity. But one rainy day, Max felt lonely. Coco, sensing this, flew over and sat beside him. She chirped softly, and Max, surprisingly, stayed calm. From that moment, they became inseparable. Max brought toys to Coco, and Coco mimicked his barks, making Max laugh. They taught everyone an important lesson. True friendship knows no boundaries, not even species.